Hello students. In the first session for methods of data analysis, we are going to discuss this Word file labeled or named as lab1. In this Word file, we are given the data related to two variables, weight of diamonds and its price in the market. This is what you can see. So what we can do, first of all, before importing this data file in SPSS, we will first copy and paste this data file from Word into Excel. So what we do, to select this entire table to copy and paste in the Excel, we need to keep our cursor here, then take right click, use the copy option. Then I'm going to open Excel, and in Excel on the new sheet you need to copy and paste. You need to paste the copied data. Now you have to take care of one thing, that you need to copy and paste the data in Excel right from cell number 1. A1 is the cell address of this particular cell. B1 is the cell address for this one. So make sure that in the very first row you should have the name of the variables. Now what we do, I am saving it as lab 1 on desktop. Now I'm going to launch SPSS or open SPSS 21. This is with me installed on my desktop. Now wait for a while till this SPSS software is opened. And in the meantime, what we can do, we can close this Excel file on which we have copied and pasted data from Word file. Now to open any file, data file, which is right now in Excel, what we need to do, we need to click File, Open, Data. Right now, this is selected Documents. So we need to drop this down and we will select the destination at which we have saved our Excel file. Now this is lab 1 data, and now open this file. So once you click open, the software will pop up a window, and in this window you can right now see sheet 1 is selected because the data we have copied from Word to Excel, it is right now present in sheet 1 of Excel. This may happen in some instances that you have the data file in Excel which has sheets, multiple sheets. Let's suppose on sheet 1 you can find one data file, on sheet 2 you can find another, on sheet 3 you can find some more data file. So whenever this is a situation, we drop this down to make a selection of that particular sheet on which your data file is there. Since right now we do not have any other file, therefore even if we drop it down, only one sheet is displayed. So we just click OK, and this is how you can get your data file opened in SPSS that is right now available in Excel. Now you see, this is the data file that we have imported from Excel to SPSS. Now, first task is we are asked to establish a relationship between two variables that are given in the data file. And we are asked for construct scatter diagram between weight and price and then discuss the behavior. So how do we draw a scatter diagram? We go for graphs, legacy dialog, and scatter dot. We select simple scatter here. We click define. Then accordingly we take our dependent variable on y-axis and independent variable on x-axis. And we all know that price is our dependent variable that depends upon the weight of diamond. So I have selected price on y-axis, move this weight to x-axis. Now we have multiple options, OK or paste. But we prefer to go for paste because from paste we can open the output file directly. So SPSS has three different files. Number one, the data file. Number two, the syntax file. And number three, the output file. So we should not move directly to the output file. It is always preferable. First, we click paste. This is how we have moved to the syntax file. Now we select this entire syntax and we click run selection. After clicking on run selection, the software will automatically move us to another file that we call output file on which you can find the graph. Scatter diagram is drawn between weight and price, and over here we can see that the trend of the data is positive, and we can say that there is a strong positive relationship exists between weight of diamond and its price in the market. We can also say, or we can also explain it more as the smaller, the lower the weight of the diamond, the lower is the price, and the higher the value of the weight of the diamond, the higher would be the price.